learning, keep progressing.
Vande Mataram.
Vande Mataram.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
ए मेरे वतन के लोगों, तुम खूब लगा लो नारा, तुम खूब लगा लो नारा। ये शुभ दिन है हम सबका, लहरा लो तिरंगा प्यारा, पर मत भूलो सीमा पर वीरों ने है प्राण गवाया, वीरों ने है प्राण गवाया। जो लौट के घर न आए, जो लौट के घर न आए। ए मेरे वतन के लोगों, जरा आँखों में भर लो पानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। थैंक यू।
जय
हरे कृष्ण, नमस्ते। आज यहाँ उपस्थित मेरो सबै छात्र छात्राहरू साथै दर्शकबिनलाई आज गणतन्त्र दिवसको धेरै धेरै शुभकामना साथै बधाई। र आजको कक्षा हामी नेसनल एन्थमको साथ सुरु गर्न गइरहेका छौँ। सो लेट्स स्ट्यान्ड फर नेसनल एन्थम।
भारत भाग्य विधाता, पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा, द्राविड उत्कल बंगा, विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा, उचल जलधि तरंगा। तब शुभ नामे जागे, तब शुभ आशीष मांगे, गाए तब जय गाथा। जय गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
जय हिन्द। र आजका कक्षा हामी सुरु गर्न गइरहेका छौँ। किप लर्निङ किप प्रोग्रेसिङ। र आजको कक्षा हामी अलिकति भिन्न प्रकारले गर्नेछौँ। गणतन्त्र दिवस भएकोले गर्दा आज यस विषयमा सबैलाई केही न केही थाहा नै छ। सो आज प्रश्न हुँदैन, तपाईँहरूलाई जसलाई जे थाहा छ एकजना मञ्चमा आएर आफ्नो वक्तव्य राखिदिने।
Hare Krishna. I'm here to say something about adoption of constitutions. The constitution was adopted by the Indian Constitution Assembly on 26 November 1949 and came into effect on 26 January 1950. Thank you. Vande Mataram.
Vande Mataram.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
Hare Krishna, I am here to say something about draft of permanent constitutions. 29th August 1947, a resolution was moved for the appointment of drafting committee, which was reported as draft of permanent constitutions with the Dr. B.R. Ambedkar as chairman. Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
Hare Krishna, I am here to say something about draft constitution. Draft constitution was prepared by committee and submitted to the Constituent Assembly on 4th November 1947. The Assembly met in the session open to public. 166 days spread over a time period of 2 years, 11 months, 18 days before adopting the Constitution. Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
हरे कृष्ण सबैलाई। र आज गणतन्त्र दिवसको दिन यहाँ साथीहरूले जति जानकारी तपाईहरुमाझ राख्नुभयो र त्यसमा थप जानकारी म पनि तपाईहरु समक्ष राख्न चाहन्छु। Apart from the celebration throughout the country and by Indians all across global, the main Republic Day celebration is held in National Capital, New Delhi, before the President of India. On this day, ceremonious parades takes place at the Rajpath, which are performed as a tribute of India, its unity in diversity and rich cultural heritage. Bharat Mata ki Jai! Thank you.
Republic Day is a national holiday in India when the country mark and celebrate the date on which the Constitutions of India on 26 January 1950, replacing the Government of India Act 1935, governing the document of India, and thus turning the nations into a newly formed republic. Thank you. Jai Hind.
So now I'm going to read the preamble of Indian Constitution. So I'd like to request all my dear brothers and sisters to read after me. The Constitution of India, Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India, into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status, and of opportunity, and to promote among them all. Fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this Constitution. Jai Hind! Jai Hind! Jai Hind! Thank you.